Happy day students. I welcome you all back for class 4 computer science lesson 8 browsing internet video 2. In the previous video we saw what is internet and its uses and what are the basic requirements for internet connection and also few terms. Now here we are going to see what about the Internet Explorer, various buttons and what is search option, how can we use a search option, and email and its uses. Let's get into the lesson students. Now about Internet Explorer. Now you all know how to start a Internet Explorer, right? That is to connect the Internet Explorer. Once the internet has been connected, you will get the window popped up saying a Google or any kind of an browser which will pop up on the screen. So let me explain to you the features here. Can you see an arrow? This is called backward arrow, which helps us to go back to the previous page. Number 2, this one is called as forward button. This helps us to go to the next pages and forward and forward. And this is into mark as the stop button. If your page is taking too long time to load, and with this help of the stop button, it will helps you to stop the particular action and you can restart it again. Can you see the fourth button? Can you see a drop down list box? And do you all know what is this? Is the address box, and next to the address box this is a drop down box arrow which shows us a list of recently used website. That is, what are the recently used website you have used, it will show you, and which will help you to quickly access if you would like, if you have already used the particular website also. Searching on internet. Searching is very easy. So when we wanted to buy a book, you need to search, right? Like where you will be able to find and everything. Likewise, there's a search option which is easily available here. Like you can, there are lots of search options, which is that is search engine which is available. Famous is Google search and Wikipedia search, where it gives you the entire encyclopedia of that particular topic from the history to the top to the bottom. So let me help you on how to search information through Google search. So it's www.google.com. Once you click onto it, this page will appear where next to the Google there will be a big empty box which will be available. In this empty box you can type the information which you would like to search and you'll click on search. You'll get the list of options which will appear. Now he is Larry Page and Sergey Brin, who are the founder of the Google. And now coming to the interesting fact for you, emotions. Emojis, like smiling emojis, right? So smiling face, when you look at it on the sideways, the shortcut is the colon and the close bracket. Through this only the emoji symbols were being introduced through this shortcut. Email and its uses. You know what is the full form of email? E stands for electronic mail. Why do we call it? Since we are using through electronic product, computer is an electronic machine, right? So that's why sending mail through the electrical objects. So it stands for electronic mail. And you all know it's one of the most wide application and fast and easy where you can communicate to the people all over the world easily and quickly. Let's see a few uses of it, students. First uses is send and receive messages and send and receive file. So how can we do it? To any person, as I said, with the help of the email address, it's easy to receive and to send. Here when you open into a Gmail account, there is an option called Compose. This Compose option will help you to send a message where you will be able to compose your own message, and in the inbox you will be able to see any new message being received. So like how you can see next to the draft within bracket 1. Likewise, in inbox, if a new mail is being received, it will show you. And send and receive files. And in the sending as well as the receiving option here, can you see a pin like a gem clip symbol here? This means attachment symbol in internet. Normally we like, other than we sending any, like, normal messages or a letter or a text, we can even include any document, a big file or a picture or music also through mail. Next one, we are coming to sending message to group of people. When you wanted to send a same message to different people, it's very easy and simple here. In the to column, where you need to type the list of participant name here, and the subject may be the comment and the invitation. And here, after typing the participant one, use comma and a space and type the second, and so on. And then if you, when you click on the send option, immediately it will be sent to the group of people or the n number of people whom you wanted to send it to. And next one, we are coming to forwarding message. If you receive any mail here, and if you would like to pass the same information to another person, it is very easy and simple by using a forward button which is available next to the more. And if you click onto it, automatically the mail from whom you have received, it would be forward to them. And without retyping it, you can just send only the mail to whom it needs to be forwarded. Next one, sending email. It's free. Where do we charge? Only the fee of the service, which we pay it on a monthly basis, like how we pay a telephone bill. So there is no stamp required, no fee, just the recipient name where he lives. Like how we send a letter to address, likewise we also require a to email address. I have a fact file for you. Do you know who is he? He's Sabir Bhatia, who was the founder of Hotmail. It's a type of the facility, the email facility like Google. He was a person who found the first internet-based free email-based software. He was the one who founded it. The next one. Why do we need? What do we need before we use any email? What are the requirements for it? You just need an internet connection, and you just need to sign in to any web-based email. Like I've said, this is a Gmail or a Yahoo or Rediff or any kind of a service provider. Yes, and then I'll explain to you what do you all require when you wanted to, send an email. You require a username, that is a person username, that is the one who has to be used, and password. Password is the one which has been hidden, but here just for the example I've typed it. So your username will be consist of the username and with the @ symbol and the name of the service provider with .com. So the password will be dot dot dot, but just for you, for your reference, I've just typed it. And there'll also be an option here called use password seen. That is, you can see the password whether you're typing it correctly. And then if you click on sign in, automatically you will be access inside the email. Okay. And a tip to create an email address will not contain any space in between. Okay. And email address, every person is very unique, and you will not have a same email id, it will not be given. So when you create it, if you have, for example, if the kips at gmail.com, it's already in exist. So if that is an Gmail is being created with the particular name, it will give you a suggestion saying that this type of name is already exist, and it will also give you a suggestion as which username to be used. Password is unique, so it is a unique, and no two person can use the same email address to avoid confusion. Hope you must have understood this lesson about the uses and the value of how our communication has been developed from earlier to now. Thank you, students. Stay safe and be safe while you are using internet. Thank you. You all have a great day.